Many people are having a bad time with COVID-19. But did you know that you always lived in a pandemic your whole life? Introducing the yawning pandemic. You see, yawning is contagious. And since all of us have yawned once in our lives, that makes it a pandemic. And I am pretty sure you yawned once in your life. That's lame. But did you ever have the experience of someone yawning as well right after you yawned? Well, it's contagious, that's why. And since we all yawned once in our life, this means we all sometime had the yawn pandemic. Or what I like to call it, yawnora virus.